Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Afaq Izzat. My roll number is 1919. My presentation topic is dye-synthesized solar cell. Construction and working of DSSC. Construction and working of DSC has four important parameters. These are working electrode, synthesizer dyes, redox mediator, and counter electrode. DSS is the combination of working electrode drenched in the sanitizer or dye and counter electrode soaked in a thin layer of electrolyte bound together with a hot plate tape to prevent electrolyte leakage. The following component as well as construction and operation of DSC is following. First one is transparent and conductive substrate. DSSCS are the commonly made up two sheets of conductive transparent material that survive as a Bose substrate for the deposition of the semiconductor and a current collector. A substrate used in DSSC must have two major characteristics. First one is the substrate must have more than 80% transparency in order for optimal sunlight to reach the cell effective area. Second one is it should have high electrical conductivity for the efficient charge transfer and low energy in DSS. And second part is working electrode. On working electrode, transparent conductive glass stay formed on FTO or thin layer of oxide. Semiconducting material such as a titanium oxide is deposited to form the working electrode. The energy band gap of these oxides is 3 and 3.2. Due to this greater energy band gap of 3.2, an allotropic form of band gap is roughly more desirable than rutile form. However, other wide band gap oxides such as zinc oxide and indium oxide as shown promise. Tin oxide is expensive and readily available. Third one is dye-eye photosynthesizer. The component of DSSA that's responsible for the light absorption of incoming light is dye. The following photochemical and electrochemical qualities should be present in any dye material. To begin, the dye must have luminous. Second, the dye observation spectra should be in UV visible and infrared area. The construction of HOMO should be lower than that of redox electric light. Then next topic is working principle. The four fundamental steps in the working of DSC are the light observation, electrode injection, carrier convention, and current collection. First one is the incident light is absorbed by the photosynthesizer and thus due to photon observation and electron get permuted from ground state to excited state, where the absorption from the most dye is range of 700 nanometer. Second one is the excited electron with the lifetime of nanosecond range are injected into the conduction band of non-porous tin oxide electrolyte which lie below the excited state of dye, where the tin oxide absorbs a small fraction of solar photon from the UV visible. Third one is the injected electrons separate toward the back contract as they travel between tin oxide nanoparticle. Fourth one is electron of counter electrode reduce 1 to 3 and 3 to 1 in a dye regeneration. Ground state moving to the electron accepting from 1 9. Fifth one is the oxidized material diffuse back to the counter electrode and reduce 1 to again. Thank you very much.